76. Some number 76. What about 77?
Yes, sir. 77 also.
Okay. So consider electric field which is given by E bar equals to E naught x cap is a constant. The flux through shaded area as shown in the figure due to this field will be. What is formula for flux? It is E bar dot area A bar.
Yes, sir.
Now this is one plane which is having 3D बराबर. इसका एरिया कितना होगा? A स्क्वायर होगा ना? बिकॉज देखो स्क्वायर है वो. हेलो एरिया
Yes,
इज
sir.
और है किधर? इन एक्स वाई प्लेन और वाई जेड प्लेन और विच प्लेन इट इज? Because depending upon that area vector will be perpendicular to that plane. Can you identify it is which plane?
Why, sir?
So ZX.
Actually it is not in any particular xy plane, it is inclined ना? हेलो देखो inclined है ना वो, तो मुझे एरिया वेक्टर ढूंढना पड़ेगा ना. कैसे क्या आया? एरिया वेक्टर A bar is equals to side PQ vector PQ across with PS bar. Okay, this much followed.
Yes, sir.
And PQ will be no x coordinate, x y z are unit vector because x cap लिखा है ना, तो मैं x cap y cap j cap unit vector लेता हूँ in place of I j k. X cap y cap k cap. तो OA is O x cap, PQ is OA, PQ is actually OI cap होना चाहिए लेकिन वो लोग ने x y z दे दिया है इसलिए ऐसा लगे. Plus coordinate of y is given as A. So A y cap plus 0 z cap into PS. PS में there is A0A. So x coordinate A x cap plus no y coordinate. So 0 y cap plus A z cap. This becomes, we are doing cross product. So 0 into AX bar. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is this way now. X cap, Y cap, Z cap. 0, A, 0. Here A, 0, A. So it will be X cap bracket minus Y cap bracket plus Z cap bracket. So इसके लिए A into A will become A square minus 0. For Y, 0 into A, 0, 0. For Z, 0 minus A square. That means A square X cap plus minus A square Z cap. So you got area vector. Now flux is E naught X cap का dot with A square X cap minus A square Z cap. That is E naught A square X का coefficient add हो गया. No Y, no Z. This is the answer. खत्म. Clear? खाली कंफ्यूजन है आई जे के कैप का जगह पे एक्स कैप वाई कैप जे कैप है आपके पास.
Done, sir.
A square surface of side L meter in the plane of paper is placed in a uniform field acting along same plane. Okay, field यही plane में है, in same plane. What will be area vector to this plane? See, I'm showing this horizontal, तो आपको एकदम अच्छा idea आ जाएगा. If this is horizontal plane, I draw one perpendicular. Have you studied? Perpendicular drawn to plane is perpendicular to every line in the plane. Hello, have you know? Do you know this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो अभी इसका एरिया वेक्टर मतलब ये प्लेन को परपेंडिकुलर होगा ना ऐसे, तो ये प्लेन को परपेंडिकुलर मतलब इसके अंदर जो भी लाइन है हर एक को परपेंडिकुलर.
Yes, sir.
So what will be flux? It will be EA cos of 90. That means 0. क्या आंसर है? This angle is not area vector का एंगल है, तो ऐसे ही बताने के लिए दिया है. After 77, which one you want?
Sir,
84. 84. A point dipole is placed at origin in some orientation. At origin, there is point dipole placed, मतलब बहुत छोटा distance between them. In some orientation, the electric field at a point 10 centimeter in xy plane has magnitude at 10 centimeter. That means it is neither on x-axis nor on y-axis, but it is in the space. 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Has magnitude of 10 raised to minus 3 volt per meter. What will be magnitude of electric field at 2020? At distance of 2020. Now, is it like this is point formula for dipole at any point? So, electric field intensity due to electric dipole at any point is given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon p upon r cube root of 3 cos square theta plus 1. Except distance, rest all are same here. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So can I say E1 upon E2 will become R2 upon R1 cube? So E1 upon E2, R2 is double the R. Can you see? This is
Yes.
at 10. This is 20 means double R. Therefore, E1 upon E2 is 8. E2 will become E1 by 8. E1 is 10 raised to minus 3 upon 8. That is 0.125 into 10 raised to minus 3. So 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 is the required answer. That is D. Option D. After this, which sum?
So 94.
94. Any other doubt? Please keep on asking. 85 you all got answer? 85? Directly you are saying 94. What about 85? 85 you are knowing how to do? Yes, 85 you
Yes,
know?
sir. No, sir. 85 and 83 also. I don't know.
85 तो difficult है. 85 पूछा नहीं, directly 94. Electric field at a point due to an electric dipole on the axis. Electric dipole on the axis. So this will be minus Q plus Q charge. At any point at an angle theta to the dipole axis, angle theta with the dipole axis is perpendicular to dipole axis. That means electric field at any point P due to electric dipole on the axis making angle theta, इसका इधर जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है वो इसको परपेंडिकुलर है, ऐसा बोला ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. We know this angle is alpha in our notation. I have explained you. Is also alpha. What is the relation of tan alpha and theta? Tan alpha is half tan theta.
Yes, sir.
Alpha, can I say it is 90 minus theta? Alpha plus theta is 90. Therefore, alpha is 90 minus theta.
Yes, sir.
What is tan 90 minus theta? Is it cot theta? And cot theta is 1 upon tan theta equals to half tan theta. So tan square theta equals to 2. That means tan theta equal to root 2. So theta is tan inverse root 2, option C. Done.
Done, sir.
83 somebody had asked.
Yes,
कौन पूछ रहा है 83?
sir, Vaibhav.
Vaibhav, what is formula for intensity due to point charge?
What's that?
Formula for intensity due to point charge?
Sir, ER1.
For point charge, what is intensity formula? What is ER1? For point charge, what is formula for E? Then for dipole, you have to tell me the formula for E. अब ये मालूम नहीं तो कैसे पढ़ेंगे आप फिर आगे? फिर मार्क भी जो आता है मुझे तो डाउट लगता है कि ऐसी फेंकता हो गया तो आप लोग कॉपी करते रहे. पॉइंट चार्ज का इंटेंसिटी बोलो फटाफट. Vaibhav, you know formula of point charge intensity? Vaibhav, you can hear me? Vaibhav, you are there? Vaibhav, you have to answer today only, other I have to go ahead.
Yes, sir. No.
What is formula for point charge intensity due to point charge? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Your speaker is proper or improper? If not proper, you call and tell me answer. And if you don't know, tell that also. Don't waste the time.
Sir,
It becomes very irritating. I am asking point charge, what is intensity?
sir, F upon Q.
I really wonder how you got that good mark today. F upon Q is for in terms of force. I want in terms of distance. What you are studying, that means you are just somewhere you might have marked the answer. Fortunately, you got right. Who knows formula for point charge? Intensity due to point charge?
K into 2p upon r cube.
Yeah?
K into 2p upon r cube.
अच्छा, कौन बोल रहा है ये?
Aditya.
हाँ?
Aditya, point on the axis.
R cube. Aditya, you are sleeping or what? पॉइंट चार्ज के लिए क्यूब आता है.
R square.
अब ऊपर से आप पूछ रहे हैं एक्सिस है क्या? पॉइंट चार्ज के लिए कुछ एक्सिस विक्सिस नहीं होता है. पॉइंट चार्ज एक पॉइंट चार्ज है, उसका सब डिस्टेंस आर ही होता है. फॉर्मूला इज के क्यूब बाय आर स्क्वायर.
R square. डाइपोल के लिए आर क्यूब है।
मतलब आप लोग पढ़ाई कुछ नहीं करते हैं, खाली ऐसे ही दिखाते हैं कि हम लोग बहुत पढ़ रहे हैं बहुत पढ़ रहे हैं, और मार्क कम मिलता है तो नर्वस होते हैं। From last 20 days I am doing this and still you are not telling the answer of point chart properly, so only I am taking pain. For dipole it is inversely proportional to r cube, एक square एक cube है. They are saying on going away from point charge or from some small dipole electric field decreases at same rate. Possible ही नहीं हो सकता है because ये square में decrease होएगा एक cube में, तो A is wrong, मतलब assertion is wrong. Region electric field is inversely proportional to both. No, that is also wrong. So our answer is both assertion and reason is false. D is the required answer. Completed? Sandesh? Hello, Sandesh? Sandesh, you can hear me?
So
You can hear me? Phone and communicate if it is your Wi-Fi is not working. Which sum you want now after this?
21.
And those who are one who is asking should tell their name. Huh? Who is asking 91?
Aditya.
Aditya, there are 2-3 Aditya. Aditya what?
Venkatraman.
Pardon?
Venkatraman.
Venkatraman. Yes, Aditya Venkatraman. How many hours you study, Aditya?
67.
Great. 1 minute. 1 minute. हेलो, हाँ मैडम, वो आंसर नहीं दे रहा था इसलिए मैं आपको फोन किया. हाँ पता नहीं उसका स्पीकर चलता नहीं है क्या नहीं है, क्योंकि बार बार ऐसे तो लास्ट 10-15 दिन से कि 1 महीने से बोल रहा है स्पीकर नहीं चलता, फिर वो क्या इंटरेक्शन नहीं हो पाता है ना. तो कभी कभी क्या बहुत इरिटेटिंग लगता है, सामने हम चिल्ला रहे हैं इधर से क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे, सामने वाला कुछ बोलता ही नहीं है, फिर मैं उसको ही फोन लगाया उसने भी नहीं उठाया, फिर मैंने आपको फोन लगाया, बाद में उसका कहाँ से चालू हुआ. नहीं अभी तो मेरा लेक्चर है मैडम, आप 9:30 की बात करें. Six to 7 hours you study. I'm telling self study, huh? Aditya.
Yes, sir. And 3 hours of class.
Huh?
3 hours of classes.
No. Self study how much you do?
Yes, 6 to 7 hours.
6 to 7 hours all classes को छोड़ के इतना your day.
हाँ.
अच्छा. And classes how many hours?
3 hours, 3.5.
3 hours. Only 10 hours you invest in a day. Then how many hours? 10 hours you sleep, no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
10 hours you sleep?
8 hours sleep.
8 hours. So 6 to 7 hours self study. 3 hours is your class. 18. So 6 hours what you do extra? The 6 hours which is pending, what you are doing? What you do, tell? Pardon? The 6 hours what you do? Pardon?
कभी शायद थोड़ा ज्यादा भी पढ़ लूंगा थोड़ा.
नहीं देखो, आपको कंटिन्यूअसली पढ़ाई करना है, टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है, समझ के करना है. नहीं तो फिर क्या होएगा, इट इज डिफिकल्ट. सी मार्क एक लेवल के बाद कभी बढ़ता है, एक ऑर्डिनरी होता है, एक एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी हो जाता है ना. अभी आपको एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी बनना है तो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी काम भी करना पड़ेगा. ऑर्डिनरी आपका मार्क 120 आ रहा है, ऑर्डिनरी मार्क है, क्योंकि आपका एफर्ट भी ऑर्डिनरी है ना. और ये कम नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन आपके लेवल का नहीं है. आपका लेवल को 140 150 ऐसा चाहिए. और ये रीजन एक ही है, आप एफर्ट पर पूरा नहीं, मन से नहीं कर रहे, पूरा 100%. Now I'm reading this. Karan, can you read this? Sum number 91.
Yes.
Read it.
3-point charges plus q minus 2q and plus q are placed at points x equal to 0, y equal to a, z equal to 0.
Okay, just a pause. Just a pause here. So plus q is situated at 0, a 0. Means where? X-axis, y-axis, or in a plane or in a space.
So y-axis.
Correct. So 0, a 0 means y-axis. This is plus q. Minus 2q is at 0, 0, 0. Can I say origin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And another plus q is at a 0, 0. A 0, 0 means x-axis, another plus.
So it's AA0.
Yes, sir. A is
नहीं नहीं वो wrong दिया रहेगा. A00 कर दो उसको आपके बुक में. A00. A00 हाँ it is. The magnitude and direction of electric dipole moment of this charge assembly. What is electric dipole? Equal and opposite charge, na?
Yes, sir.
But this is q and this is minus 2q. They are not equal and opposite. This is q, this is minus 2q. They are not equal opposite. So can I split this into minus q, minus q? Total is minus 2q only, na?
Yes, sir.
So this q and minus q will be one dipole. This q and minus q is another dipole. Dipole moment of first one will be P1 equals to q into a. P2 is also q into a. Direction is from negative to positive. But I can see values are same. So what is net dipole moment by our vector property? When two vectors are equivalent, perpendicular, then resultant is root 2 times any one vector. I hope you know this.
Yes, sir.
So root 2 times qa, and direction will be along this bisector. That means it is along a comma 0. Not followed. Hello?
Followed.
Followed, sir.
That is root 2 qa. Option is B. Very important sum. Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Then 94 you were asking, correct?
Yes, sir.
94. Aditya Venkat Raman, understood 91?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 94. Two charges plus q minus q are placed at a distance a in uniform field. Dipole moment of combination is given to qa. To qa cos of theta I cap plus sine of theta j cap. That means this is 2qa cos theta I cap plus 2qa sin theta j cap. So can I say this is x component and this is y component of P given? I cap means x component, no?
Yes, sir.
So charge minus q plus q are at distance a in a uniform field. The dipole moment of the combination 2qa cos theta, where theta is angle between direction of field and line joining two charges. Theta is angle between direction of field and line joining two charges. So if this is minus q, this is plus q, theta is angle between line joining two charges and direction of electric field. And direction of electric field, this is theta. So, okay, आगे देखते क्या पूछे. Which of the following statement is correct? Okay. So that means this is P bar, this is theta. Theta is angle between field and line joining two charges. Any doubt in the question? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Have you written this much?
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट हाँ. अभी देखो क्या मीनिंग है इसका. This is P, correct? जिसका इधर I told x component, this will be x component and this is y component. I hope this meaning followed.
Yes, sir.
तो अपना E इधर है ना, मेकिंग P के साथ एंगल थीटा. ये खाली अगर समझ गया तो दो अभी एकदम पटाख से हो जाएगा. This is minus q, this is plus q charge. This much okay?
Yes, sir.
They are saying torque exerted by field vanishes. अभी फील्ड का वजह से तो ऐसा फोर्स आएगा QE और इसका ऐसा आएगा QE. वैनिश किधर होगा ना टॉर्क, तो ये रॉन्ग हो गया ना, फर्स्ट वाला इज नॉट करेक्ट. नेट फोर्स ऑन द डाइपोल वेनिशेस, यस. लेफ्ट राइट आर इक्वल ऑपोजिट. नेट फोर्स वेनिशेस, बी इज राइट. सी देखते हैं. टॉर्क इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ द चॉइस ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट. यस, टॉर्क तो डिपेंड करता है PE sin थीटा पे, वो कोऑर्डिनेट पे थोड़ी डिपेंड करता है, तो ये भी राइट है. नेट फोर्स इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ डिस्टेंस. नेट फोर्स QE पे डिपेंड करता है, QE पे. सो इट इज इंडिपेंडेंट, इसके बीच में डिस्टेंस कितना है ना. सो इवन दिस इज करेक्ट. BCDR is the answer. BCDR correct here. Properly understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this 95, 96, 95, 96, yes, 95, 96.
Sir, 97.
97, okay. Then when 95, 96 is not there, doubt, you should say, I will wait for 10 minutes, then you will say 97. Electric field of dipole moment P is aligned parallel to the uniform field E. Electric dipole of dipole moment is a line parallel to uniform electric field. So if this is electric field, parallel to this we are having electric dipole of moment P. That means plus Q and minus Q charge. This is P in this direction, parallel. The energy required to rotate the dipole by 90 degree. Energy required to bring this dipole to rotate by 90 degree is how much? So energy required, this first you should remember, is minus PE cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. So energy required is minus PE cos theta 2 means cos 90, and initially it was in parallel, so that is nothing but cos of 0. So I can say minus PE cos 90 0 minus 1. Therefore U is PE. Is the PE. PE is option D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
ये वाला कराया नहीं क्या मैंने डेरिवेशन ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड टू रोटेट? जस्ट चेक कर लेना, नहीं कराया तो एक बार वापस करो तुम. आई थिंक कराया, फिर भी मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
100, sir.
आफ्टर दिस डायरेक्टली 100.
Yes.
ठीक है. Anybody saving before this? Before 100 any doubt? 100. Electric dipole is placed in uniform field with dipole axis making angle theta with the direction of field. Dipole axis is making angle theta with the direction of field. Dipole axis means line joining negative charge and positive charge. That is called dipole axis. The orientation of dipole for stable equilibrium. For stable equilibrium. What is stable equilibrium? Are you remembering? For stable equilibrium, theta is 0. And for unstable equilibrium, याद है ये? Theta is 180 degree. याद है?
Yes.
याद है क्या आप लोग को ये? तो आंसर सी. Stable equilibrium will come when this dipole comes in the direction of field. So plus charge, minus charge, इसका फोर्स ऐसा, इसका नीचे, दोनों इक्वल अपोजिट इक्विलिब्रियम. अभी इसको मैं पुश करूंगा अगर क्लॉकवाइज, सॉरी एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, तो इधर आ जाएगा. तो फोर्स ऐसा और इधर, ये फिर से इसको क्लॉकवाइज घुमाने का कोशिश करेगा. So whenever a body is in equilibrium, then to check stable क्या unstable, उसको पुश करो. आपने पुश किया अगर एंटी और वो टर्न हो गया क्लॉक, तो इसको बोलते स्टेबल. आपने पुश किया एंटी, वो भी एंटी घूम रहा है, तो अनस्टेबल. ऐसा मतलब देखो सिंपल, इधर बताता हूं. इफ दिस इज बॉडी, यहाँ पे नेट फोर्स 0, इधर भी सपोज 0, तो इक्विलिब्रियम मतलब रुका है. बट इसको पुश करूंगा तो नीचे आ जाएगा, इसको पुश किया तो आगे आगे ही जाएगा ना. ओके.
Yes, sir.
After this, with some after this with some
Sir, 97 also.
97 also. 97 you want?
Yes, sir.
Who is this?
Aditya.
Which sum I did? After 97 only I did 100, na? Aditya, you are sleeping or what? I don't understand. After 97 only I did 100, na?
Sir,
That means you are not attentive.
No, sir, it's sir 98 I want. Not 97, 98.
You told 97 only na right now.
Yeah, I wrote wrong.
See, that is what it is required na perfection. Electric dipole moment P is placed in non-uniform field along x-axis. Electric field is increasing at the rate of 1 volt per meter. Then force on dipole will be how much? Increasing at the rate of 1 volt per meter. D is increasing, then the force on the dipole will be how much? Others didn't ask this, they were knowing this sum. $98. Others were knowing this. What is formula for force? Can you tell me? Formula of force? QE.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So F equals to P is 2A, that means distance into Q. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So when E is 1, so wherever they are telling dipole of moment P. Okay, पहले एक मिनट, dipole of moment P का मतलब बता देता हूँ. Dipole means it is made up of 2 charge minus Q plus Q, its moment is P. It is in along x-axis, is non-uniform field along x-axis. Then electric field is increasing at the rate of 1 volt per meter. Net force on dipole will be how much? This is increasing at the rate of 1 volt per meter. Non-uniform. Dipole moment का distance नहीं दिया है. T E upon dx is 1 volt per meter. Net force. अभी इसका distance 2 लेता हूँ. Suppose this is A, ये टोटल, तो इधर फील्ड हो जाएगा E इक्वल्स टू, देखो फील्ड इज इंक्रीजिंग, मतलब इधर अगर E तो इधर A टाइम्स E ना, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन डिस्टेंस इट इज 1 वोल्ट पर मीटर. डिस्टेंस 1, 1 वोल्ट, 1 बढ़ रहा है ना, ये 1. सो हियर फोर्स इज QE, दिस साइड फोर्स विल बी Q A into E. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
देखो बराबर सही क्वेश्चन पूछा है. डाइपोल मोमेंट में वर्टिकल दिखाता हूं आपको, बराबर समझ में आएगा. ये डाइपोल मोमेंट है, ये फील्ड है. इधर कितना फोर्स होता है अगर फील्ड यूनिफॉर्म होगा तो QE ना, और इधर भी QE होता है, तो नेट जीरो हो जाएगा. लेकिन वो लोग ने क्या बोला है, फील्ड इज इंक्रीजिंग एट द रेट ऑफ 1 वोल्ट पर मीटर. दैट मींस व्हेन यू गो 1 मीटर अहेड, 1 volt per meter it will increase. That means if this is QE, this is QE, and I take this distance, suppose 1 meter, दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंस, तो P कितना होएगा? 2A into 2, distance is 1, then it will become P is E. तो इधर अगर E होएगा तो इधर 2E हो जाएगा, बराबर. ये P, तो ये उतना डिस्टेंस बढ़ने के बाद इधर से इधर तक 2AE डबल हो जाएगा ना. पहला तो ऑलरेडी QE था, E बढ़ गया और तो 2E हो जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, वापस नहीं समझा सर. इधर पॉइंट पे अगर फील्ड है E तो अपना QE इन दिस डायरेक्शन, करेक्ट। अभी इधर से इधर अगर आ गया फील्ड तो ये डिस्टेंस इफ आई टेक 2a, मतलब डबल है ना डिस्टेंस जो भी होएगा, तो इधर डबल आ जाएगा ना फील्ड, क्योंकि इधर डिस्टेंस 0 तो ये 2e फ्रॉम दिस रेफरेंस पॉइंट, तो ये 1 मीटर बढ़ रहा है तो 2a के लिए 2 into e हो गया, बराबर,
Yes, sir.
into q, तो नेट डिफरेंस क्या हो जाएगा 1 QE ना, 1 QE is nothing but p only, ओके।
Yes, sir.
देखो बहुत सही सम है, खतरनाक सम है ये चार्ज q पे इधर फोर्स आएगा q e डैश, इधर चार्ज माइनस q, ये माइनस q e डैश, अभी e और e डैश मुझे ढूंढना है, इट इज चेंजिंग एट द रेट ऑफ 1 पर मीटर, तो इधर अगर 1 है तो इधर डबल हो जाएगा ना, क्योंकि दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस डबल होता है ना, दो चार्ज के बीच का डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर, ओके।
Yes, sir.
तो e डैश हो गया अपना 2e और ये e लिया, तो नेट डिफरेंस इज QE, q is nothing but that p, therefore answer is p, beautiful sum। after 100, which one? After this you have not practiced, see I have sent one sheet again which is beyond that problem number 135 142, so again on tomorrow there is extra class, same time 9:15 to 11, doubt solving. I will complete till 142 doubt solving, see to it that you have practiced once. Then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, these are 2 lectures scheduled. So what I will do on after this, I have given one more sheet to you. So out of this 142 to 160 I will discuss on Friday, Thursday, and 160 to 180 on Saturday, and these 2 days I will do my regular chapter, and this Sunday test will be again from 1 to 180, and here I want benchmark, you all should cross 160 because all doubts as per you I have cleared till 180. This is this week's target. Wednesday I will take lecture, you have to practice 142 तक, मुझे पहले मैं 142 तक डाउट सॉल्विंग कर दूंगा, then टाइम बचा तो 140 to 160 Thursday will do in extra class, Friday I will take lecture and clear your doubt. Are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
See, right now till 100 we have completed everything without, अभी इसमें 142 है और एक शीट आपको भेजा है मैंने, उसमें भी सम, तो उधर से you have to start counting 1 2 3, so till it becomes 38 this is our 180 sum. So this I will clear on Wednesday full, then Thursday I will take extra class, Thursday इसका आगे का कुछ डाउट अगर होगा तो, Friday I will take regular lecture and Saturday I will clear your doubt. Sunday test will be on 1 to 180 only, but 160 should be your target because I have explained you each and everything. So by this I will be able to complete major part. This Sunday will be 18 and 7 25. Then next week I will start with last part of the chapter, that is capacitor, that will complete everything. Very lengthy chapter. If I can complete this by April end, then in May at least 2 big chapter I can do. So that's all for today. I think you have understood till 100. Any doubt, difficulty?